you want the block?
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
All right. So the first thing I would do is the fifth control that he just taught us.
So you would
The
first
fifth
of all
control.
find out where the center
Yeah,
is.
which is the center. So I'll probably, before I use the fifth control, I would probably expand it.
Yeah.
You would expand it.
Yeah,
Okay.
expand it with the first control that he taught us in
The first
in our
control.
first,
Okay.
day here.
Yeah.
And then that way you get all these crosshairs. And then you can figure
Okay.
out which one's the middle by pointing at it, which is that one. Right?
Yeah.
So I'm looking at that one, and what I want to do next is use the new controls. And then I'm gonna. Oops. Oh. All right. So I'm going for that one.
You're going for this.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
That's
I'm
the
gonna
center
use-
one right there?
Yes.
Okay.
So the new controls centers the central beam.
Okay.
So I'm gonna use that.
New control. Okay.
The new control.
Okay.
I call it new control because you just taught us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you get what I mean, right?
Yeah.
There you go. So it looks pretty good, right?
And then you move the.
then I'm
Okay.
And then probably want to shrink it. So I used that with the old controls, and now I'm going to use the new controls again to center as a fine adjustment.
Okay.
So it's still kind of off.
Yeah.
The
you
smaller I
scroll
go.
down. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yep, that looks good right there. So,
Got it. Okay.
so remember how we were trying to figure out how did he center that part? How do you center that part? He said you
Then,
could
then you're
either-
going to measure up to the cassette now,
yeah,
right?
He said you could either just move the actual
Patient,
yeah
the
move the
table.
patient, or you can move the table. So whichever one.
Okay.
I guess I'll just move the patient because it's easier.
Yeah. Okay. And then we're going to do that. Okay.
And then yep. And then right now I'm
Overdoing
Yeah.
your
overdoing
sides.
Yeah. Oh, oops. Overdoing the sides. And then right now I'm adjusting it to the borders.
Okay. Can you see this?
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm kind of looking at, I'm like barely skimming off this side.
So you just want it to
I'm
hit
barely
right?
skimming off this
Okay.
side. I want to make sure I'm barely skimming off this side, which I'm not.
Okay.
So I'm gonna push it towards it. Looks about even. You see how the border around the
Yeah,
cassette's
it's
like
even. The light is even around.
Yeah,
Got it.
the
Okay.
X and the Y's are even.
Okay. And then you just pull it in a little bit, the light. Okay, got it. I think.
Yeah, it's even, looks even. And then I just kind of do the cassette, which is easy because it's already centered. So if I move
Right.
this side
Yeah.
up a little, it's going to move that side. It's even.
Okay.
There.
Voila.
All right. I think we're good. Send that to
Alright.
me and I'll
Yeah.
practice that. Yeah.